be coincident, both lines of the 0. And 1 turn complete is half. 2 turns is 1. So we have like 6.2. You make 12 turns and then 2/10 of the millimeter. And you have 2 plates here. They're numbered. 1 plate, and where's another one? Here, another plate. So when you have numbers for each stand, and you connect each hole according to the number, you have the position to put the fork here. And in this stand, for example, it's adapted for Aman Gilbert. If you want to order another stand, it's no problem, but usually everybody uses Aman Gilbert. Actually, I think for Gamma, for example, this is also applicable, it's compatible, and you will have the mounting of the models on this stand. So you don't need a special stand for the mounting of the models with a face ball. I'll show you. You can just have a look and try to rotate it just to feel it. Yes. Take it.
Thank you.
Это зависит от...
Δεν καταλαβαίνω πώς θα το χρησιμοποιήσουμε ακριβώς.
Once again?
Can you explain us again how
Yeah.
are going to use this?
I'll show in my software.
It's for the horizontal level of...
It's for mounting of the
for the
model.
fork.
Yes, like instead of Facebook. Instead of Facebook.
Instead of Facebook.
Για το πώς θα περάσουμε τις λεπτομέρειες, να το κάνουμε στον ορθοπεδίο.
I'll show it to you. Так, давай пока я объясняю, ты
Ναι, τι μέθοδος θα μας δώσει. Βασικά, άμα μπορεί να μας δείξει.
Не.
Κάτσε να μας δείξει.
Okay.
Τι? Λέει ότι τώρα αυτά τα πιάτα που έχει εδώ πέρα είναι για κύρυμπα, αλλά μπορείς να παραγγείλεις για όποιον αυτοκίνητο θες. Δεν έχει σημασία.
So, yes, you see my computer right now. Just recognize me.
Αυτό είναι σε περίπτωση που δεν θα το κάνεις ψηφιακά.
Ναι.
Just like here
It is only for analog procedure.
if you need analog. Yes. For example, you did everything.
Instead of Facebook,
Yes, but you want to do final work in analog. Yes, for example.
you take the fork.
Yes, you can use it separately, just central marker, without axiography. But in that case, you'll have only horizontal line. You wouldn't be able to have Kemper or Frankfurt, only horizontal. But usually it's enough.
But how you can have the horizontal?
Other lines?
The real one horizontal in the mouth. How you can have it?
Because the central marker decides. You do as we did with the mirror. You press the button.
Yes.
So you have the horizontal position, the coordinate system that was recorded in the beginning of the procedure, and you save it. You've seen how we do it. And then you go 3D settings, create 3D stand design settings. Here you see. Go here. And the software will have to give me. You see? It's marked here. 0.2, 0, 4.4. So you adjust these sliders here. You rotate them.
And you told us.
First, you have to put 2 horizontal lines on 0. So, and from the 0, you start to rotate. 1 full turn is half. 2 full turns is 1. Well, try to do that with these settings. So, and then you connect the upper part with the lower part with these metal things. And you have the position. And then you just, with a fork, cut everything that is going outside the holes to be able to put it completely. And if you do that for the patient, add material for the anterior tooth, not to have any, because it stays very short. So the model can play on it. So it's better to have as much support from the teeth that are on the fork. And actually, if you want to use it for these only, it's not bad if the T-line would be a little bit further, so you go a little bit further on the back. But that's not important. And you use it for the transferring, like a digital phaseball of the analog model in the articulator. So for technicians, it's very important because Other things you might not use all the time, for example, or these you might use in the end of the treatment of the patient. You did temporaries with printing, you did everything, but finally you want analog impressions or you want analog models for the trying of your final restoration. So in that case, it's better to have model
Βάζω έναν
models.
αναλυθήρα χρησιμοποιημένο για να
Αυτό
κάνει.
Α, εδώ είναι.
Μην το βάλεις ανάποδα μόνο, πες πως είναι μακάρι.
Professional and Sherlock, yes. Otherwise it will dry, yes.
Μην το βάλεις ανάποδα και θα πήξει.
Так, вот это все надо
Да,
тоже,
что
чтобы не
это
потерять.
Δες πως είναι μακαρισμένο.
Τα χρώματα.
So for technicians, because doctors don't pay attention to that at all. Technicians do pay attention to that. In the videos that you're gonna see, you'll see it again.
Αρκεί,
Έλα.
μέχρι εδώ. Εσύ Κωνσταντίνα, δηλαδή είμαστε κλινικά, εντάξει είναι πρωτόκολλο, εσύ Μπάβη.
Εγώ
Так,
κομπλίτη
перекачалось
είμαι.
уже, смотри, перекачалось, не нужно мой
Да,
флеш.
да, я сейчас
Так, надо это быстро как-то...
Διακρίνω μία δυσκολία μεταξύ μας τώρα που μιλάμε στο πόσο ο κλινικός θα μπορέσει να είναι ακριβής στο θέμα με το δεξί κοινόδοντα πάνω, με το αριστερό κοινόδοντα πάνω, στην όλη διαδικασία να τα κολλήσει, να τα κάνει και να είναι ταυτόχρονα όλα πραγματισμένα κλπ.
Ξέρεις τι είπε πριν. Ξέρεις τι είπε πριν. Δεν έχει και ιδιαίτερη σημασία. Πρέπει να είναι στην περιοχή των κοινοδόντων.
Ναι.
Αν δεν έχει δηλαδή,
Ναι, δεν
δεν
έχει ιδιαίτερη σημασία.
Ήθελα να ρωτήσω, εάν δεν έχω τον κοινόδοντα,
θα πας στο επόμενο δείτε.
το ρώτησες, δεν έχω τον κοινόδοντα και έχω κενό. Βάζω πνευματάκι, αρχίζω να κάνω ακινητοποίηση και πηγαίνω περίπου στον κοινόδοντα, στον άξονα του κοινόδοντα.
Πώς θα το διαχειριστείς.
Сейчас завтра и сделают ребята. Завтра Okay, there are two ways what we can do right now. One way, we can start analyzing the software. Another way, because Panayiotis' brother is only here for today, you can start doing axiography yourself.
Θες να δοκιμάσεις.
Under my supervision.
Δοκιμάσουμε όλοι.
Κωνσταντίνα ρε παιδί μου, όσο
Who
μαζί.
wants to
ναι,
try to
βέβαια.
do axiography?
Θες να δοκιμάσεις. Ναι.
Okay?
Έλα, αφού είμαστε εδώ τώρα, είναι και αδελφός μου εδώ. Να κατακορίσουμε λίγο τον προ. Είναι καλό παιδί.
Okay, let's do that.
Το θύμα.
Okay, so two doctors have to be, or two persons have to be chosen because you'll just, one of you will be like assistant. It's also important because you've seen that to press buttons in a certain time. And one would be a doctor, or you can switch sides if you want during that session. So, what we'll do is,
We have the doctors.
okay, good. We have a scan also, I have the scans in the program already, so we don't have to do the scanning right now.
Φώναγα εδώ.
Сканы есть? Подожди, а сканы есть, брата? Нет, только...
Мои только сканы.
Значит, вы сейчас отсканируете брата.
Вот сейчас халал
Yeah.
сделать его.
Okay, so we'll keep on discussing 10 minutes. They'll scan the initial situation because that's, we don't have to repeat. Actually, it's not easy, it's not hard with this scanner without metal. And then we'll have this data. Сканируйте пока.